lifestyle people. This video is gonna be over my concrete slab that I got laid down, 24 by 35, and it's not gonna be a very long video, but we're gonna take you in on what happened and how everything went down and the forms and who set it up for me and everything. So y'all just stay put and we'll get right to the video.
He made you eat the cake, anime?
Yeah, she made you eat it. It's a video. Alrighty, they getting everything squared off and leveled off, and we getting ready to get this done. Let's see what we gonna have here. I can't wait, y'all. I cannot wait. Getting this old slab ready. It's gonna be a pretty nice size slab. Gonna have to get ready to get some dirt in. Of course, the trailer right there is gonna move. We're gonna move that. But get some dirt moved in, level it off. See if we can get it all in the camera. Not really. But yeah, it's something that I really been needing. So you guys stay tuned, and they getting everything leveled off and squared off right now, and then they'll come back tomorrow whenever they come and drop the concrete, lay and pour the concrete. So we'll be here, and we'll go ahead on and show y'all what's going on. So we shall return. I had to go to work yesterday, so they came, or they stayed, and got all the stuff down that they needed. And we still need a little bit more wire right here, so they went to town to grab that. But we're getting it all laid down, and it looks like oh no, that's another truck. I thought possibly the concrete people were coming, but they're going to be on their way. Well, they should be on their way, and we'll get that concrete poured, and we'll get y'all footage of that. Get the concrete poured. Now we got the concrete laid, and of course it will start sprinkling a little bit. Check the weather for the past 2 to 3 days for today. Said no rain in the forecast. Then a little bit earlier, checked again when it started getting real cloudy. Guess what? 70 to 80% chance of rain. Of course. But anyway, we got it laid and ready to get some plastic to go over it and cover it up. Well, at least have it out here just in case. It stopped now, but have it out here just in case it started back raining real hard and we can cover it back up. But so far so good. You can see it's still wet, smoothing out and everything, but so far so good, y'all. I'm ready. So we'll be back and show y'all the finished product. All right, my lifestyle people. We got this slab done. This is the next day. This is what it looks like. Oh, I'm excited. Real happy. Very happy. Great job. Everything looks good. It's early in the morning. Well, not early, but we got the slab laid down and it looks good. Nice, smooth finish. I'm really happy. I'll put the card in the first part of the video, but you guys call Howard and Howard, and the number on there will get you to Zoren Howard. Whenever you guys call, if you need somebody to lay down your concrete and get it done right, and they stay dedicated to that work. They care about their work, and they've done a great job. Excellent job. They was not stopping, even with the rain that came in. They was not gonna leave until this job was done. Couldn't ask for nobody better. This was great, perfect. I really, really like it. I'm well pleased. Alrighty, you guys. I put the card in the video, and I put it in again, and I'm put it in at the end too. So you guys check them out if y'all need any concrete work done. We've been doing concrete work for 46 years. A lot of experience. If you're ever in the Hope, Arkansas area, or anywhere local close here, he said he does travel. So if you want to, just give him a call. Like I said, I got his card on there, and you guys will see it at the end too. But this is the end of this video. It's gonna be a part 2 for sure. You guys gonna see what's going on and what I'm getting. So you guys stay tuned for that. And thank you guys for coming to watch. Hope y'all enjoyed. Until next time, we are out.